How to view check register in QuickBooks Online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The accountant or any other user has to go for the View Register option to lead the search. There is a chart that will allow you to scrutinize check register, bank and cash transactions, editing, deleting, and saving. So, visit the left-hand panel of QuickBooks and search for the accounting option from the drop-down list. Further, tap on the COA or Charts of Accounts tab. An interface will appear on the screen with a Chart of Accounts and Reconcile option. Keep going with the Chart of Accounts and find your bank account. Further, tap on the View Register option before the bank account name, and this is how you can view check register in QuickBooks Online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.